Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. So today I'm going to show you all how I do my curry shrimp. Right, we're going to start by seasoning our local seasonings first and our curry spices, Geera and curry powder. And I like to add a little tomatoes when I'm doing my curry shrimp and also mustard oil. In a lot of the curry recipes that we do, you're going to see that I use mustard oil. Is that you all could use vegetable oil if you wish, but my preference mostly is mustard oil for two reasons. Is one, a locally used product in a lot of curry dishes and Indian dishes, and I like flavor and it adds a lot. It adds a nice flavor to curry dishes. So we're going to start with pimento, 3 garlic, Chadon Beni, onions, some mustard oil, chopped thyme, curry powder, Chive, of course our hot pepper, black pepper and salt, and some tomatoes. Right, we mix and we allow to marinate, and because it's shrimp, it's seafood usually don't take that long to pull seasonings to absorb all the flavors of the seasonings. We just allow to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we start the cooking of the curry shrimp. Right, so now that we allowed our shrimp to marinate in our local seasonings and curry powder Geera mix, we're going to start to curry our shrimp now. So we're going to patch a little Geera seeds. Now the reason for patching the whole Geera seeds is to bring out the flavor in the Geera seeds and to help it to cook a little better. Not patching it, the Geera seeds will remain whole, it will stay grainy and you will taste that graininess when you're eating the whatever you're using the Geera seeds for. So you want to patch it a little bit first, then add our oil, our whole garlic, our onions, pimentos, and then our curry mix. So you're going to add a little oil now, our whole garlic. Allow the garlic to kind of caramelize a little bit first before we add the onions and the pimento, and then our curry powder. I like to hydrate my curry powder a little bit. It helps take away from the graininess of the curry powder, and it shortens the cooking time of the curry powder. By hydrating it, I mean by just adding a little water to the curry powder mix. Just about 1 part water to 3 part curry powder, and stirring it and letting it sit for about 5 minutes. Right, now we want to add the onions. Pimento. Let it caramelize a little bit. Then we add our curry powder mix. And we let this mix not burn, but get a little color, a little brown in color. And before we add a little bit of water, and then we add our curry, our seasoned shrimp. And then you will see the curry mix starting to stick a little bit to the bottom of the pot. We add a little more water. Right, and now we add our shrimp. Shrimp usually cooks fast, you know, and I don't like my shrimp too rubbery, so this will usually take about 5 or 10 minutes to cook. So we give a nice little stir, and we cover so the shrimp will spring its own liquid and cook in its own liquid, and then we come back. Now that we have allowed the shrimp to cook a little bit and it spring its own liquid, we're going to check it. We're going to add a little bit, because we need a little bit. Give it a little stir. And again, I say shrimp, it's a seafood, so it doesn't take too long to cook. So we're just going to stir and let it cook for another 5 minutes, and then remove from heat.